The Bissell Cordless vacuum cleaner is a solid choice for pet owners. It's lightweight, easy to manipulate, and features a tangle-free brush roll that handles pet. The LED lights help spot hidden and the vacuum easily converts to a handheld unit for upholstery. However, the battery life is typically around 20 minutes on high power, and the section, while decent for hard pull, may struggle with thick carpet. The Dyson is also small, requiring frequent. Overall, it's a good, user-friendly vacuum for life, especially in pet-friendly homes.